Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. And today I am going to be testing out the Winky Lux lipsticks, the ones with the little flower in them, you know, those ones. They've been all over the internet. The box that I got looks like this. This is the other side. It's really cute. I really love their packaging. I bought these offline on their website. I don't know if they actually have a store, but I thought I would try them since it's been quite a trend for now. I did get 3 lipsticks and I'll show them right now. I am about to open this package for the very first time and I am super excited to try these on. So I'm gonna go get something to open this up with and I'll be back. Okay, so I don't have a box cutter, so I'm going to be using just a regular knife to open this. But let's just appreciate how beautiful this box is. It has a little puppy and the little pill lipstick and little flowers. This is so cute. So cute. I love this. I hope I opened it from the right side. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This package is so beautiful. Look at this package. Oh my god. So cute. And I got this, I have this right here. I don't know what this is, but let's see. It's Hum Beauty Starts From Within, gummies with benefits, hair sweet hair. For stronger, healthier hair, biotin, folic acid, FOT, B12, zinc, and PABA. Dietary supplement. 2 vegan berry gummy hearts. Oh my god, I got a little sample. I did not expect this. This is so neat. So these are hair vitamins, I guess, and I'll be testing these out. And yeah, I'll see if I like them or not. But they're supposed to help your hair grow, and recently I've been trying to grow my hair out. So back to the package. This is what it looks like. You guys already saw. I just want to keep this forever. This is so adorable. This is just my receipt, I guess. What I got was a whole package and it was for $33. Let's open this up. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Hold on, I gotta take a picture of this. Okay, so I ordered a 3-pack of the lipsticks. Oh, let me fix my camera really quick. For like $33, which is a really good deal because if you guys haven't seen yet, each one of the lipsticks is about $14 or more. So I got a real good deal, and I also got a little freebie in here. This is the glitter balm. And then this is another glimmer balm. Okay, and then we have another glimmer balm. Just kidding. This is the flower one. It doesn't say anything in the front. It just says Winky Lux. And yeah, so these are the 3 that I'm going to be trying on. These are so cute. Like, each one is packaged individually. This is awesome. I honestly thought that these were all going to be in the same box or something. And then I got this little mini lip, what's it called? Lip Velour by Winky Lux. This is the little tiny bullet lipstick. It's so adorable. Look at the size difference. This is so cute. Look. It's so tiny. Oh my god. Okay, so let's get started. I'm so excited now, super excited. So I'm gonna start with the flower one. And on the side it has the flower, like the actual lipstick, what it looks like. And I didn't get to choose the color of the flower. I wanted to get the pink one, like the one with the little pink flower inside. But, you know, it was a package deal. I gotta get it. With this 3 lipstick package, or whatever you want to call it, the color is going to be purple for the flower. So you don't get to choose, but it was so worth it. I don't really care about the color. So here is the packaging. This is super, super pretty. It is super luxurious. And I think that's why it's called Winky Lux. Because it's like luxe, like luxury. I am in love with these so far. Like, I haven't even opened it, and they're so beautiful on the outside. So I am opening it now. We're gonna see it up close. I'm gonna bring it up. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. I just want to get more of these for my birthday. If anyone wants to give me something for my birthday, I just want more of these. I'm gonna show you all of them before I try them on. We got this glitter balm. It doesn't have the picture like the other one did. So here's the golden one. Just gold all over. It's the Winky Lux 24 karat gold. It says that right there. This one looks like this. Oh my god! This is so awesome! These are the prettiest lipsticks I've ever seen. Oh my god. So we're gonna open the other glitter balm. This one again doesn't have the picture of what it looks like on the outside. Actually, it says it's on the back. Okay, so this is the other glitter balm. It has pink on this side, silver on this side, super cute. Now we're gonna open it. I am so in love. I think I want to cry. That's how in love I am with these. Do you guys see that? Look at that. I'm gonna put it up close so you guys can see it. Wow. Just wow. Kudos to whoever created these, honestly, already. Kudos to whoever made these. And last but not least, I'm gonna open the little tiny bullet. It's called, the color is called Pippi. It's like a little tiny lipstick and it has color. Not Pippi, Pippi, okay? And ta-da! So cute. This is so cute. Look at that. Oh, it's a little tiny pill. Like, you can literally swallow this. Don't swallow it, kids. Do not do that, okay? I don't want to get in trouble. Don't do it. I accidentally, like, put my nail in it. Oops. Okay, so, big problem with this. It doesn't twist on or off. It doesn't twist at all. But, I mean, it's just a little, you know, it's a tiny lipstick. It doesn't matter. This is such a beautiful color. I think I'm gonna try the flower bomb. I mean the flower one. And I'm gonna get up close, and now I'm ready. Let's do this. My lips are super dry right now, so yeah, I really need this. It worked. It it works. It kind of just enhanced the color of my lips, and I'm gonna smell this really quick. People say it smells like coconut, but in my opinion it smells like vanilla. Yeah, I don't smell no coconut, I smell vanilla. Okay, so the color on my lips has faded out quite a bit. It's kind of back to my natural lip, just a little dry. Okay, so now we're gonna try the 24 karat gold one. So okay, let's start right here. Oh my god, it's actually gold, like gold glitter. It's like a highlighter for your lips. This is insane. It still glides right on. Do you guys see this? I am speechless with Winky Lux. I am speechless. There's not much else to say. You guys saw it. I don't have a lot. I mean, there's not anything I can tell you guys. You guys saw with your own eyes. You guys were the witnesses. At first I didn't think it was going to give me any color, but as you can see, it left color behind. At first I thought it was just going to be the lip balm, because when I applied it, it was just the lip balm. I didn't see any color, you know, but now I can see the color and it's really there. So now I'm going to try the last glimmer balm. It reminds me of unicorns. It's super majestic, so beautiful. So for this one, I am not all that impressed. Well, actually, no. So this one is more like in between both of the lipsticks that I got, the 24 karat one and the flower bomb, because the flower one, because it did give me the color once again, but it has a very tiny bits of glitter, like specks of glitter, barely anything. Like, you cannot tell that I have sparkles on my lips unless you get really up close, and I'll show you. So as you can see, it's not like super glittery on my lips, but it still gives me the color. Yeah, it makes it look like this is gonna be like super glittery. Don't be fooled, it's not. So the only one that I was kind of disappointed with was this one. I still love the packaging. Like, I would still buy this or like take it with me just because it's so pretty and luxurious like that. Out of all of them that I gotten, this is probably the one with the lowest rating for me. I guess I expected more out of this one. And now I'm gonna try the last one, which is the mini bullet lipstick in the color Pippi. Oh. Wow. So it looks really natural and really cute when the lipstick is off. Okay, so this lipstick is a super nudie, like brownish color, which is actually perfect for my skin tone. I've tried a lot of nudes and they don't fit my skin tone because they're too light. It makes my lips look super pale. And this one doesn't. This is the perfect color for me. Sorry, I just sneezed. I have really bad allergies right now. The little one was just perfect color. Very beautiful color. I believe they have these ones in bigger sizes. They do have regular lipsticks on their website. I didn't want to buy one because I was more interested in the lip balms, but later in the future I will be buying more of their lipsticks and I'll try the colored ones. I want to say Winky Lux is so worth it. It was worth my $33. I am going to be buying these more often. I'm going to be buying them for birthdays and Christmas. Their formulas work excellent. Overall, these products are amazing. The company, the customer service, excellent. I didn't have any troubles paying. I didn't have any troubles getting it shipped. The package is gorgeous. I don't know what to say more than these are excellent products. So that is all for this video. I hope to see you in my next one. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new and ring the bell button to see more videos and to get notifications of my videos. Leave me any comments. I appreciate the comments more than you think. I will just see you in the next one. Thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate it. Mwah.